This video describes in detail each tool that appears in the Object toolbar. Many of these tools may look familiar to you. First, you can move the Object toolbar into your workspace. Click and hold on the top of the toolbar and drag and drop it to your desired location. You can also resize the window. Click and hold and drag the bottom of the window. You can move the Object toolbar back to its original location or elsewhere on the screen at any time. The Select tool is used to select an object to modify it. Click on the Select tool, then click on your desired object. Once selected, shape handles appear around the object. To select multiple objects, hold down the Shift key as you click on each object. Alternatively, you can drag the mouse over the objects to select them. To release all objects, click your mouse on any location other than the object. To release only a specific selected object, hold down the Shift key and click the object you want to release. The Edit tool is used to change the position of a polyline's anchor point and to manipulate the curve of a polyline. Click on the Edit tool, and then click on the polyline you want to edit. The Zoom tool enlarges or reduces the size of an object for viewing your workspace. Left-click to enlarge, and right-click to reduce. The Text tool inserts text into your design. When this tool is selected, you can click anywhere on your workspace and begin to write text. The text is outlined and displayed as a contour line only. You can align your text to a shape by clicking on the shape with the Text tool and then typing the text. The Rectangle tool adds a rectangle to your design. To make a square, hold down the Shift key as you drag the mouse to create your object. The Circle/Ellipse tool adds an ellipse to your design. To make a circle, hold down the Shift key as you drag the mouse to create your object. The Polygon tool adds a polygon to your design. To make a regular polygon with equal measurements on all sides, hold down the Shift key while you drag the mouse to create your object. The Star tool adds a star to your design. To make a star that is equal measurements on all sides, hold down the Shift key while you drag the mouse to create your object. The Polyline tool allows you to create a non-curved polyline. Select the tool and then click where you want to start the polyline. Continue to drag your mouse, and when you're ready to add another anchor point, left-click to add the new anchor point. Once you are finished adding all your anchor points, double-click to create the end point. A helpful tool is the shortcut menu. While drawing the polyline, right-click and this menu will appear. The Back option removes your last anchor point. The Close option draws a line from the last anchor point you created to the first anchor point to create a closed object. The Exit option closes the menu window. The Curve tool allows you to create a curved polyline. The same rules apply to the non-curved polyline tool that I just mentioned. Simply click to create an anchor point and double-click to create the endpoint. The same shortcut menu appears with a right-click. A useful tip to know is you can hit Escape to force the drawing to end, which makes the last anchor point you created your endpoint. The Line Color tool allows you to assign different colors to your cut lines. When you're ready to send the design to the cutter, you can specify which color lines you want to cut. The Perforated Cut Line tool turns a cut line into a perforated cut line. Use the Select tool to select the object you want to cut as a perforated cut line, and then click on the Perforated Cut Line tool. you'll see that my object is now red. The color red is assigned to represent perf_cut data. You can configure which color to assign to perf_cut data under the Preferences menu. By default, the color is red.